Okay, let's talk about one of those phrases that every foreigner misunderstands. Mrzi me. You probably know that mrzeti means to hate, right? So when you first hear mrzi me, you might think, wait, who do they hate? But in Serbian, mrzi me doesn't mean hate at all. It means I don't feel like it. Mrzi me da kuvam. I don't feel like cooking. Mrzi me da učim srpski. I don't feel like learning Serbian. It's perfect phrase for when you're tired, lazy, or just done for the day. The funny thing is, every Serbian uses it at least once a day. So next time, instead of saying you're tired, try to say mrzi me da radim danas. It's short, expressive, and very, very Serbian.